Question number 4 of exercise 1.5 is represent under root 9.3 on the number line. So let's see how it. First we draw a line 9.3 centimeter. Let it be the point A and it be point B. Now we take a 1 unit away from point B. Let it be point C. It will be 1 unit. Now it will be A, B and point C. Now I am going to bisect the line A, C. बाइसेक्ट खींचने के लिए हमें हाफ से ज़्यादा लाइन लेनी होती है. उसके बाद हम आर्क लगाएंगे. Join these 2 points. When this line intersect this line, it called the midpoint and it be O. Clear? Now we take a OC as the radius and we draw a semicircle. Now from the point B, we take a perpendicular or we make a 90-degree angle with the help of the protractor. Now join this. It will be 90 degree. Let the point, if this is, it will be point D. Join point O and D. It is 90 degree. It will be hypotenuse, its base and its perpendicular. This line we call under root 9.3 unit. For proving this, that BD is equal to under root 9.3, we use Pythagoras theorem. First you see the construction steps. Like this, steps of constructions. First step is draw a line of length 9.3 units such that AB is equals to 9.3. Second, now extend AB to C such that BC is 1 unit. Third, now AC is 10.3 units. AC, that is AC. Now it will be 10.3 units. Draw a semicircle of radius OC with center O. It is the center O. Now draw BD perpendicular AC. This BD perpendicular to AC and join OD. Now we have angle OBD is equals to 90. AO is equals to OC is equals to OD, radius of the circle, which is 10.3 upon 2 unit. OD, OC and OE. Clear? OB is equals to, OB is this, it will be the OC minus BC. So that OB is equals to OC minus BC, that means 10.3 by 2 minus 1, we get 8.3 minus, 8.3 upon 2. Now by the Pythagoras theorem in triangle OBD, we get hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Here hypotenuse is OD is equals to BD square plus OB square. Put the values and solve this. We get BD square. This we take this another side and it will be in negative form. So BD square is equals to 10.3 by 2 ka whole square minus 8.3 by 2 ka whole square, which will be the form of a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b minus a minus b. So that BD square is equals to 10.3 by 2 plus 8.3 by 2 by this formula into 10.3 by 2 minus 8.3 by 2. When we solve this, we get this. So BD is equals to under root 18.6 by 2. Also we can say that BD is equals to plus minus under root 9.3 unit. We also know that the height or length will be always positive, so that we can say that BD is equals to under root 9.3 unit. Understand?